Hello everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on Venmo. First, open the Venmo app on your phone. Next, tap on Me at the bottom right. From here, go to Settings. Then select Account. Now, tap on Phone Number. Enter your new phone number and Venmo will send you a verification code. Type in the code to confirm the change. And that's it! You've successfully updated your phone number on Venmo. And that's how to change your phone number on Venmo. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.